Welcome back everyone, I hope you're all doing well. To mix things up a bit, we're shooting off to the northern mid-latitudes of Mars to a new site I discovered in Utopia Planitia, just east of Pyramus Fossae. The high-rise photograph in this one is called Periglacial Landforms on slope of Knob, acquired on the 15th of May 2008 at 30.6 centimeters per pixel. I'll be showing you images cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, just over 1 gigabyte in size. There's a look at the knob, and the anomalies I'll be showing you are some of these white specks that surround this strange mound. Located right there to the top left edge of Utopia Planitia at 51 degrees 11 minutes north, 76 degrees 6 minutes east. We'll have a look at some of the other anomalies at surrounding sites towards the end of the video. There's the first anomaly of many of these rectangular looking blocks. This one's about 5 by 8 meters in size, and it's got a very strange design on it. Check out the bevel over there. Looks like this has been hollowed out or carved out slightly. Looks like there's an opening on the one side with this object sticking into or out of that opening. I'm not quite sure what's going on there, but we've seen so many of these blocks with beveled edges. There's another example, one of many I may add, that I featured recently with a strange symbol object there in the opening. Something else seems to be sticking out of that as well, comes over the edge there. This is from strange debris spotted west of Bianchini. Next block right there, and we'll check out a similar one up to the top. This is about 5 by 6 meters in size. Check out the perfect right angles, straight edges, very smooth flat surfaces. Even looks like it has slots cut along it parallel to the one side. These remind me of those stones that we find in Egypt. And then the one over there at the top. This one's got a more of a rhombic shape to it. But check out the symmetry and geometry. Another block there, folks. Each side is about 5 to 6 meters in length. The perfect flat surfaces and right angles to that block there again, folks. Another block over there, and it looks like it has a bevel on it as well. That block is about 5 by 8 meters in size. Check out the right angle uniform width on each side as well. We'll have a look at these anomalies with these strange protrusions or knobs in them momentarily. Check out the two wedge-shaped blocks there, almost identical in size and shape. This one's about 6 meters long, uniform width on each side, and then the wedge shape, which is very similar in both of those. And there they are for comparison, folks. What are we looking at here? Very, very strange anomalies. Remnants of ancient megalithic sites. This strange object in the middle of nowhere, as you can see, there's nothing around it. That looks similar. That there's about 8 meters long. Strange shape to it. It's almost like some type of craft. Got this wedge-shaped piece on top, and then the rectangular part underneath. Then we get to the strange anomalies where we have small objects on top of larger pieces. This block over here is about 5 by 8 meters in size, and right there in its center we've got that small protrusion. Another rectangular item with a small object in its center. This one's about 10 to 12 meters in length. Now check that out, guys. Looks like we have a rectangular carved out area on the top of this surface, with that small part located right there in the center. We're looking at those. This slab over here, maybe it's a block that's partially covered in sand and only the top side is visible, is about 5 by 6 meters in size. Check out the 2 protrusions placed equal distance from each side. That we've seen often on Mars too. Here we'll check out these 3 items. This one over here is about 10 meters long. That one over there about 12 meters in length. Are these 3 similar objects? As that one detached from those 2 over there? Rather strange, it's got a slot over there on the top. 2 small spherical objects in its center, and then this piece also has a protrusion or knob in the center of that one side towards the top. And there's some similar ones. This anomaly is from megaliths spotted in candidate human exploration zone Phalegra dorsa, where we also have a slot in that item there, small part or protrusion in the center of that piece. And then this one towards the bottom left, it's very similar to that one over there to the top left. And this is from Return to Protonillus on Mars. And these 2 are almost identical in size and shape, folks. So let's shoot off to Utopia Planitia, to this site. So right there, guys, there's the high-rise photograph we analyzed. Periglacial landforms on slope of knob. And a look at those anomalies just briefly again. Down to the south, this is about 300 kilometers to the south. More of these blocks. Also looks like an opening in that one. Dozens and dozens of blocks. Let's go further to the south. Another block seems to have a bevel on it. Small part on the center of that side. Strange placement of these dark spots around that item, equal distance between them. Another one of those blocks with a bevel on it as well. with all that potential evidence, are we looking at natural rocks or boulders here, guys and girls? Or are we looking at megalithic blocks that were once part of huge megalithic rings, like we get here on Earth? Those small blocks that I've been showing you look very similar to those that we find all over the world, especially those that cover the pyramid, the external veneer. Same size and shape as well. Anyways, let me know in the comments below. Until I see you in the next video, take care. Cheers for now.